We're frying plantains. What she did, she peeled them and then cut them diagonally. Heat up the oil. You get the green plantains, or if you want, you can get the yellow ones, but those are softer and they're sweeter. These just have the classic flavor of fried plantains. So yeah, you put them in the oil, let them fry as they're doing now, and wait till they're golden, and then we'll come back for the rest. Okay, so now she's making a salt water that you dip the plantains in, so while they fry. So we just use regular table salt, and she likes to put a little bit of sugar in it. This is brown sugar, and then some white vinegar or distilled vinegar. And what does this do, Mom? What does that do?
That's the water to...
I know, but what does it just make it crunchy?
Oh, no, it makes it not burnt, it's just yellow. Keep the conserve the yellow.
It keeps the color the same. It keeps in its original color instead of it keeps it from browning. So yeah, this is Aiden's bowl that he used. Don't let him see that. We're making fried plantains. So she's taking them out the oil and she's gonna press them. And this is called, what is it called, Mom?
Plantains.
Oh, I know.
Oh, this one?
That's what the. It's just the toast. Now she's pressing it. Pressing each one. You're fine. Go watch Batman. And that's how it turns out. Y'all have gone to the. Okay, you can take off your jacket, your shirt. So she's gonna press each one, and then after that, she's gonna dip it into the water or the mixture, which is water, salt, sugar, vinegar. I don't know the exact amount. You can eyeball it and taste it and see if you like it. I don't know. So yeah, and then after that, after she does that, she's gonna fry it, put it back into the oil, and it's gonna get nice and crispy and golden and delicious. Okay.
It's not right.
Now she's dipping, or she was dipping them, but sometimes if the banan or the plantains aren't ripe enough, if the banan or the plantains aren't ripe enough, they'll fall apart like that. So I mean, it's just hit or miss. Either way, it's always going to be good. So the little bits are always crunchy and yummy.
And this one, see?
See, like this one, for instance, it's coming apart. So yeah. So yeah, you just put them in there, and you're putting in too many. Well, she don't care. 'Cause the more you put in there, Mom, the lower the temperature is gonna go. It's not gonna be as crispy. She doesn't care. So yeah, you just do that, and then it's gonna fry, and then you put it on a paper towel to soak up some of the oil, and then you eat it. So I can brag some more. My mom made some chicken, and with the plantains you can dip it into the sauce, which is delicious. So yeah, I'm about to eat this with chicken, plantains, and salad. So yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of salad it is, it's salad. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating good. What are you eating tonight? So these are them. This is how delicious they look, because they are delicious. Plantains. I think this is probably like one of the simplest Haitian.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good job, Mom. Haitian. It's not really. I guess. Yeah, Haitian side dishes that you can make. Because I know the ones from like the Jamaican stores, they're different. But every person makes them different. Every culture and every Haitian makes them different too, because there's so many different ways people make plantains. But I like them this way, the way my mommy makes them, because they're the bomb diggity. Bomb.com. Can you smell it? Are you jealous? I would if I were you. Yeah, I'm rubbing it in. That looks good, huh? But you wish you had some. Mm-mm. Well, too bad there's no such thing as taste-o-vision. Doesn't that look good? It's because it is. Enjoy.